This is Marshmallow eating a blackberry. And she is loving it and going to town. Because she is the world's cutest hamster. Is that good, Marshmallow? Is that a good berry? Look at her go. Oh no! Whoopsie. Where'd it go? Her little lips are getting stained black.
Really?
It's so cute.
Oh
Are you not going to try and shove that in your
She's
mouth, are you?
trying to shove it in her mouth.
Oh my gosh. She's like, I'm taking this home.
Oh my god.
Oh, she is so cute.
Oh my god,
There
did
she
she
goes.
shove it in her
She's
mouth?
trying to shove it in her mouth.
That's not gonna work, honey.
She's like, watch me.
She loves it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, this is so cute. Look at her tongue. Look at how cute. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Oh my god, Mom, she's so cute. Look at her mouth. Look at her, Mom. Look at her little tongue. Do you see it?
Yes.
Oh my god.
So where'd my berry go?
I think she's done now.
Are you all done? Are you done? Oh, she's full. Time to clean up.
Oh my god.